Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make blue Mount Fuji Yakisoba. My kids were doing summer assignment coloring yakisoba using red cabbage, and we made Mount Fuji just for fun, and it was really cool, so I wanted to share with you how we made it. I'm using iPhone today to record this because the battery of my camera was not charged. Anyway, it's fun to make blue yakisoba. I hope you find this recipe helpful, and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. It's really fun. Let's get started. Slice the red cabbage. Place the cabbage in a frying pan and add water. Cover and steam until soft. Remove the cabbage, leaving the purple cooking liquid. And cook yakisoba noodles. Then the noodles turn blue. Now season with chicken soup stock powder or any seasonings of your choice, but be careful not to add anything acid. I added pork, then the blue color diminished. You never know what diminishes color. So I recommend to cook meat and vegetables separately. Heap up blue yakisoba noodles on a plate, top with mayonnaise, and garnish with Katsuobushi bonito flakes. And now it's done! Serve and eat red cabbage with dressing of your choice. It is really delicious in this way. Last but not least, if you pour over acidic lemon juice, yakisoba turns pink. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Very, 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 very good.
美味しい？よかったじゃん、美味しくて紫キャベツ。
チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタンを押してね。バイバイ。最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい。初期だった人は勝ちです。以上。